Respiratory function can be broken down into 5 stages. The first stage is called ventilation. This involves the inhalation of oxygen and the exhalation of carbon dioxide. The destination for oxygen here is the alveolus, and in this stage, the destination for carbon dioxide is the outside air. The next stage is called external respiration, and this involves the exchange of gases between the alveolus and the pulmonary capillary. Here, the oxygen that has arrived at the alveolus diffuses across and enters the pulmonary capillary. The carbon dioxide that has been brought from the body cells leaves the pulmonary capillary and diffuses into the alveolus so that it can be breathed out. Once the oxygen has reached the capillary, it can now travel. It travels in the direction of the heart. It arrives at the heart via the pulmonary veins. So here we see the oxygen arriving via the pulmonary veins to the heart, and from the heart it can be pumped out via the aorta and taken to all parts of the body. The oxygen now arrives at the body cells. In the body cells, carbon dioxide is formed, and so carbon dioxide is released from the body cells and it can be transported back to the lungs, first via the veins, systemic veins that take it to the heart, and then the pulmonary trunk that takes it to the alveolus. We call this stage transport. Oxygen is using systemic arteries to transport itself to the body cells, and carbon dioxide is using the systemic veins. The next stage is internal respiration, which is the exchange of gases that takes place between the systemic capillary and the body cells. Oxygen diffuses from the capillary to the body cells. Carbon dioxide diffuses from the body cells to the systemic capillary. The next stage and last stage is cellular respiration. The oxygen that has arrived in the body cells can now be used to break down glucose and make ATP. Carbon dioxide is the toxic byproduct.